Kia ora, children. In our writing today, you will be learning how to edit your writing. For this lesson, you will need a different color pen or pencil. I would recommend green or pink, as these are very good colors for you to edit your writing in. So, go and get a green or a pink pen and one page of your writing. Only pick one of the pages, not all of them. Only, that's right, one. And we will do some editing on your writing. Here is how you do it. For our writing lesson today, children, we are learning how to edit our writing. To be successful, you need to read your writing. Check that it has full stops, capital letters, and that it makes sense. After that, I'd like you to challenge yourself to make some changes to your writing. You will need to use a different color pen, so perhaps a green pen would be a really good choice, or a pink pen, but something different to your pencil color. So let's begin. Let's read box number 1. On the weekend, it was my birthday party and I had the best time. First of all, it must have a capital letter. The next word in there that I've spotted that should be capital is the word I. I must be a capital because we are using it instead of our name. Every time we write the word I, it must be a capital I. The next thing I'm going to look at is the word was. This word here. The word was. I know that I've tried my best with my phonics there, but I think I could make it better. I'm going to ask for help or use one of my sound mats or my high frequency words to help me read and spell that. You could also ask an adult to help you. On the weekend, it was my birthday party and I had the best time. I haven't added a full stop yet because I think I can make this sentence better. I'm going to make it better now. Who did I have the best time with? With my friends. With my friends, full stop. So I've added a bit of detail. I'm not sure about this sentence, this word here, so I'm just going to underline it. I think I've used my phonics well, but I'm not sure of the spelling. I've still tried my best though. So I've put a full stop. I've not checked for punctuation yet. Let's have a go now. On the weekend, comma. I put a comma here, children, because you need a small breath after this type of word. So, or group of words. If you've noticed, after once upon a time, we put a comma. After luckily, there's a comma. Suddenly, there's a comma. And so on. Let's read it to check that it makes sense. On the weekend, it was my birthday party and I had the best time with my friends. Oh, that sounds very good. Yes, it makes sense. Now your writing may look a little bit messy, but if you've used a different color pen, you are showing your adult and your teacher that you are making corrections and improving your writing. You are becoming an author. No story is perfect the first time we write it, not even teachers' writing. Okay, let's try one more. I'm going to do this one in a blue pen. First, read the sentence. The lion crept slowly across the plain. He could finally see the zebra. First off, I've noticed there's a full stop missing at the end. I'm going to jump in and put that there. But there's something else that sounded funny. The lion crept slowly across the plain. Can you hear that I took a breath there? That means I must put a full stop in that spot. So the lion crept slowly across the plain, full stop. That means this must be a capital letter. He could finally see the zebra. So we've got a capital letter and we've got full stops. I don't think that we need any more punctuation unless you wanted to put an ellipsis. 2 more dots there, but that's up to you in your writing. Does the sentence make sense? The lion crept slowly across the plain. He could finally see the zebra. It does make sense, but there's a spelling word that I want to look at here. For some of us, this word here is spelt using our phonics, which is very, very good. Could. But I know that it's not quite right. So I'm going to ask an adult to help me spell this tricky word properly. I won't do that with all of my writing, just some of the words. So he could finally see the zebra. All right? Now, for the end of this task, I'm going to challenge myself to improve this writing. I'm going to put an adjective here to describe my lion. The lion crept slowly. Now that shows me the lion is intelligent and clever. So maybe I will pop here the clever lion crept slowly across the plain. He could finally see what word could we describe the zebra? Maybe I could put the sleepy zebra. Now see, this looks a little bit messy again, but it doesn't matter because we are editing our writing to make them better. Let's read the whole thing. The clever lion crept slowly across the plain. He could finally see the sleepy zebra. Oh, that makes sense. That's an excellent sentence. It is now your turn to choose one page. Only one page of your writing. Not all of it, please. How many pages, children? One page of your writing. And try to improve that one by checking for full stops, capital letters, check that it makes sense, and maybe you can add some adjectives or make some changes to your writing. Only one page. Okay? Well done.